All right, come take a look at it. Yeah.
I'm gonna be barefoot.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I can see Chris still a little down.
No more wax.
Yes, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
And listen, I don't know what was going on with
Yeah,
this one. My
yeah.
grandkids said that.
Oh, they had a lot of stuff. It like candy. Y'all know what?
That's what I think.
Syrup.
Under the
Yeah,
bed,
yeah.
Them grandbabies.
Yeah,
And
and it's a beautiful floor too.
I'm like, those little boogers.
Yep, nice floor. Yep. Thank you. What's up, guys? Happy Friday. Today is May the 16th. We are out here in Warner Robinson, Georgia. It wasn't bad of a drive. It was like a 2-hour and 15-minute drive. Nice, smooth, easy drive once we got off of 285. And this is a client that he was just telling me. He said, Courtney, I'm so glad you put your information on YouTube. He said, I've been trying to find somebody for 1 year, and I've heard that numerous times that can help me with these floors, and everybody that has come into this home has told me to replace the floors. So guys, he sent me pictures. He had the exact measurement, so I never came out and did an in-home consultation. Now I originally gave him a price, and he said, you know what, Courtney, for that price I can get new floors. And then about 20 minutes later, he called me back, and he said, after talking to his wife, he said the wife told him, when are you gonna get some new floors for $4,000? So I ended up sending him a proposal. He signed off on it. He actually used my recommended movers, Christian. He said they did a phenomenal job moving the furniture this morning. So let me show you guys what we're gonna be doing today. All right, guys, so it is a beautiful, beautiful Friday. I've had a few new in-home consultations come in on the way here. And we got some engineered floors. And he said he had put the Bona polish on them. And show you guys back here. So you can see all that, guys? See all that? It's the Bona polish on the floor all through here. And just see right here, you see what he went around, okay? So we see this all the time. And when you put it down, it's gonna look good, but eventually, every time you move something, it's gonna create these marks, these surface marks, and it is not easy to get off. I've had a lot of clients try to get it off themselves, and they'll end up calling me to come in here and remove it. So we also got this room here, all right? See all that? That's all the Bona polish. And I educate and I tell people, a lot of times people think it's the floor. I said, no, it's not the floor, it's the polish. All right here. See all that, guys? All right, so this is about 1,200 square feet. Wax removal. All right here. See what he kind of went over, all right here. Okay, and all in this living room area. See all this, guys? You know that? All right, guys. Me and Tavares is going to go ahead and knock this job out and make another happy client. Guys, look at all that wax. Stay tuned. It's all in the seams of the boards. Coming off really good. Now I will say one thing about this job, man. It is slippery. Look at all that wax. Mr. Williams the floors. So look at the bedrooms. We're done with the bedrooms. We're also putting down a just a sealer. It's not a polyurethane, but what the sealer does just gives the floor some more protection because they're already sealed. But guys, look at these floors now. Look at these now, man. So I'm not going to step on it because again, we got that sealer on it. Man, oh my God, these floors look amazing. Oh wow. All just by doing some research, finding me on YouTube. So you can see we have not done any of that yet. See all those footprints and all that wax seal on the floors. So now we're about to work ourselves into the living room. Miss Jenkins, come on, take a look. I'm sorry, Miss Williams. I just had a client just booked a consultation. His name was Jenkins. Miss Williams, I'm sorry.
Can you give me 1 second to go to the restroom?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. All right, I told Mr. Williams he's out the doghouse now. Take a look at the rooms now.
Yes, that's how they're supposed to look.
That's how they're supposed to look.
Yes.
Yep, so we got all the bedrooms done. So we're doing emulsifying, cleaning, neutralizing, and then we put down a sealer. Just give it some more protection, a little bit more. Yep. Yes.
I was like, I need to play lottery or something because I need new floors.
Yep.
I need something. And he stay on the computer. He was like, hey, I think I found the answer.
There you go. Yep. If you do, I tell people, if you do enough research, you'll find it.
Yeah.
And I have so many people that deal with your husband. They said, Courtney, we search and search and search. And we finally found your videos on YouTube.
Right, that's where you found it at.
Yep, and the next thing they say, we just hope he'll come. So y'all wasn't bad. It was like a 2 hour, 15-minute drive, but we go to Tennessee.
That's what he told me, because I was like, well, they down in Atlanta way. You think he'll come? So,
yep.
and I told him, I said, our young black men do not understand, for as many of them that want to be entrepreneurs, there are so many things you can step out and learn, but you still got to invest in your craft. You got to learn about the floors, understand it,
Bingo.
know what's what, and trying to get them to understand that it's so difficult.
It is.
So kudos, young man.
Thank you. And people, I'll tell you one thing I've learned too. When people watch those videos, they can tell. They can tell when you know what you're doing. They can tell when you care about your business. Just the way we present ourselves.
Right.
I have so many people give me.
I could tell during the conversation because when you were talking about the different thing and I say, see, this is someone that understands their craft.
Bingo. Bingo.
Yep.
Yes, ma'am. All right. Well, give us about. We'll probably be done about another hour. Here it's getting hot, so let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, there goes Mr. Williams. All right, guys, floors came out amazing. Take my shoes off. Christian and them are actually going to come back tomorrow and put the furniture back, but look at these floors now. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna zoom in. If you look really close, you see those indentation marks right there. Right there. Sometimes people ask me about those. There's nothing we can do about those. In this situation, since it's an engineered floor, and those were there prior, like they dragged something, the boards would need to be replaced. But most people, I will say, guys, most people don't want to go through stuff. I have stuff at my house, and I'm like, it's to me, for me, it's not that serious, okay? But guys, look at these floors now. Amazing. Amazing, man. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Okay. All right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. What I'm doing, I'm walking in my socks to make sure there's no footprints, and there isn't. So that's an indication that the floors are residue free. All right, guys, see you in the next one.